Veterans re-entering civilian life face many challenges, including finding a job. Hi, I'm Montel Williams. Welcome to this edition of Military Makeover Operation Career. Today, we have 4 inspirational stories of former servicemen and women who have reinvented themselves and are thriving at companies who value their unique skills. Pattern Energy, a world-leading developer and operator of sustainable energy projects, is a strong supporter and employer of veterans.
I was an 0341 mortarman. For 2 of those years, I was a squad leader, and then I deployed as well with 1st Battalion, 5th Marines. We deployed to Afghanistan with them.
I decided to get into the military because I was profoundly impacted, as a lot of us were, by the events of September 11th in 2001.
Going to Afghanistan and actually being in combat, I've never thought that I was going to do that. I'm definitely proud of my whole time in Afghanistan. I'm a first-generation immigrant, so just being in the Marine Corps, I was very proud of that, and I still am.
When I was at the Naval Academy, I took a class called Energy Economics. Ever since that moment, it was my junior year, I knew that I wanted to somehow join the energy industry. But then it was definitely a tough leap, going from a job that I really enjoyed doing to just jumping out into civilian life. But eventually, I came and sort of found home at Pattern.
Pattern Energy is one of the largest private renewable companies in the world. We focus on solar, wind, storage, and transmission. We do smaller projects, what we call the commercial and industrial size projects, which are, somebody's warehouse, put solar on the roof, hospitals, education facilities, and we also do large projects like Western Spirits that we're here. That's our largest project today. It's the largest project, in fact, ever done in the Americas and one of the largest in the world. For us, our mission is to transition the world to renewable power. Veterans and our culture in doing that includes people that are really purpose-driven, and veterans tend to be very purpose-driven. They are also hardworking, smart, creative. It's all the same culture as we create. I
knew pretty well that once I decided that I was going to end my first tour on my boat, that I wanted to go into power generation. 80% of what I had done in nuclear power was actually very translatable in terms of all the skill sets you need. And so I was really glad to make that transition.
There is a similarity within the values of Pattern and the military. There's quite a bit of people that I'm working with right now that are veterans. We have that rapport within each other, that we are, that we're in this together.
Veterans bring a lot of the soft skills that employers are looking for that they're not really trained in school. They're something that's learned by experience.
And so really it's all those same lessons that I learned as far as not giving up, leadership, know your people, know the mission. Those are all the same things that I use every day when I come to work at Pattern to go out and accomplish our mission.
Pattern is, we're a fairly substantially large company now, but we still have a very small company feeling where we've got a lot of camaraderie within the team. When I was in the military, camaraderie was a big thing, and I was really worried about losing that. We don't see it limited to operations. We're looking at the opportunity to hire people all through the organization, including right to the top. Pattern ourselves are willing to find capable, talented people and train them. If veterans are interested in a great place to work, people who love to work as teams, people who are purpose-driven, and who can accept diversity and creative thinking, we're the place for you. Give us a call. We'd love to have you.